Get ready for the dictation. 1, 2, 3, start. Sir, there had been a lot of wasteful expenditure. Stop. If we are able to check this wasteful expenditure of the government, if we are able to check the budgetary allocation to those programs which will ultimately provide luxury service to the upper strata of the society, and if we are able to implement the programs more efficiently, then I believe that we will able to have sufficient resources to see that the right to work, the constitutional right, is properly implemented. Stop. Para. Sir, I fully support this demand and I request that government, if not in the current session, at least in the next session, should come up with a bill to amend the constitution for providing right to work as a constitutional right. Stop. Para. Sir, there is a definite need to improve the functioning of the employment exchanges in the country also. Stop. There have been many cases in my constituency, in other parts of the country also, where we have come to know that those people who were registered 10 years back or 15 years back did not receive a single call for any interview. Stop. And there have been people after registering just for a few months or a few years got interview calls. Stop. This will have to be taken care of. Stop. We will have to check this. Stop. If there is need to have computerization on a large scale of the employment exchanges, I think that we should go in for computerization and adopt methods which will ensure that those people who have registered themselves earlier than the others should get precedence over the latecomers. Stop. Para. There have been many figures which have been given by the honorable members. Stop. I have some figures with me. Stop. The employment exchanges have reported to the government that by month of February 1996, almost 1,39,75,000 young people who were above matric were unemployed. Stop. Similarly, 1,36,99,000 were those people who have completed their matriculation and could not get employment. Stop. And similarly, 1,91,36,000 were those unemployed fortunate people who were below matric. Stop. Para. It is really a shocking figure. I dare you to count it. Stop. The figure definitely is 4,67,51,000. Stop. Para. I do not believe that this is the right and a complete figure. Stop. But as an incomplete figure also, it is a shocking figure and it is a huge figure. Stop. I request the government that it should take proper steps to see that correct figures are given.